do your nails, or make a salad. We can do both of these things at the same time. I love these cute rubber ducks. I wish I could have a manicure like this. The nail tech is already here. She can make any client's wish come true, even underwater. Coat nails with yellow nail polish. Use nail polish and a thin brush to paint a duck face. Coat it with clear nail polish. Paint ducks on 2 nails. Your underwater manicure is done! Whoa! The ducks are adorable! Taking a bath with these duck nails is way more fun! This gorgeous lady needs new nails. I want something fiery, just like my personality. Sure. No! Regular red nails are way too plain. I need something spicy and hot, just like my favorite chili peppers. They should be on my nails. Be careful, this manicure is flammable. Coat a nail with beige polish and paint a red pepper on top. Coat the nail with matte nail polish. Define the pepper with clear top polish to make it 3D. Dry it with a lamp. Apply and dry the top layer a few times. Paint peppers on 2 nails. Coat the rest with red nail polish. Spicing up your manicure with red peppers is a hot idea. Now my nails are done. They are finally spicy and hot enough, just like me. I'm lactose intolerant. My hand turned into a cow. Phew, it was just a nightmare. My hands are all right. This is just my new patterned manicure. Coat a nail with white polish. Use the handle of a brush and black polish to paint a pattern that looks like cowhide. Paint the pattern on the rest of the nails. Make one nail all black. Coat the pattern with clear matte polish. My exotic nail design is right here. No cows were hurt in the process. I can sleep tight. I got a ton of fan mail again. This is so nice. And I need to reply to all of these letters. Because I'm a polite celebrity. My best answer is a kiss. But I have so many letters and only one pair of lips. I just finished kissing the first batch of letters when I got a new one. I need a stamp for fast replies right now. Cut lips out of an eraser. Cut a stamp. With this lip stamp, replying to letters is way faster. Whoops! One kiss got onto my nails. That's a great manicure idea! Apply pink nail polish to the stamp and make an imprint on a white nail. Coat it with matte polish. Make a white lip imprint on pink nails. My fingers are full of love, and my fans will be happy. There's a new client at Lillian's nail salon. Even though there's a huge range of colors to choose from, she still goes for black. Whatever the client wants. Lillian got distracted with a phone call, and the client got confused. She put her nails into a foam bath instead of drying them under a lamp. Whoopsies! Is this your first time getting your nails done? Why did you wash fresh polish? I thought this was a new nail design technique. I like it a lot. Let's do this effect on a white background. Coat a nail with white gel polish. Then apply a layer of black polish after you dry it. Add soap foam onto the wet polish using a brush and dry it under a lamp. Wipe off the excess foam. Create a pattern on white polish the same way, using black polish as a base. After a bubble bath and a hot lamp, the nails are covered in a mysterious pattern. These bubbles are so cute! What an unusual effect! I'm actually happy that I mixed up the lamp and the foam. This client loves everything with rainbows, and she needs a manicure to fit her look. No black, only rainbows. Great! I know the perfect manicure for you. Apply white polish to a press-on nail. Paint rainbow stripes on top. Make vertical lines with a brush to create a pattern. Rub the nail with a wax candle after it dries. Add liquid soap to white gouache. Mix it and coat the nail with it. Let the paint harden. White nails? That's so boring! I told you I want a rainbow! Don't worry, unicorn lover! Your rainbow is hiding inside. You just need to scratch the protective white layer with a nib. And you'll see the rainbow! Thanks! That's exactly what I wanted! This tough boss has to sign so many documents. These papers are never ending. My hand is already tired. But I came up with a way to improve this process. I need a manicure that'll be beautiful and useful. Combine my nails and writing supplies. You got it! Glue nibs to nails. Thanks! I love it! Now I can sign 10 documents at the same time. Quick and painless. My nails would be any calligrapher's dream come true. I love highlighting words in my notes with different markers. But it takes so much time. I can't handle writing everything down. I'm all mixed up with the colors. Hang on, there's an easier way. Cut off half of the top part of a marker, including the tip. Attach double-sided tape to your nail and fasten the marker piece to it. Attach markers to all your nails. The school supply manicure is done. Now I can quickly highlight all the info I need. This useful manicure makes my life easier. Coming to the kitchen with wet nails is very brave. My sauce needs to be thicker. I'll add some cornstarch. Oh no! My manicure! My nails are covered in cornstarch, and they turned matte. Coat nails with polish and sprinkle them with cornstarch. Shake off the excess and rinse. I got matte nails without any special polish. You can find so much useful stuff in the kitchen. While I'm busy decorating my coloring book with beads, my friend managed to put her fresh nails into the beads. Whoa, that's beautiful! Don't you think so? No. Let me do your nails using fake pearls. Coat a nail with blue polish. Add a matte layer on top. Apply beige gel nail polish onto a toothpick. Spin the toothpick so the drop turns into a ball. Dry it with a lamp and keep on spinning the toothpick. Coat the ball with a top non-stick layer. Dry it. And rub in white pearl powder. Coat with another top non-stick layer and dry it with a lamp. Cut the pearl off the toothpick and glue it onto the nail. Make different colored pearls this way. Also attach silver caviar beads to the nail. Whoa! This nail design actually looks way more elegant! Your little pearls are so cute! Thanks, Lillian! Did you like our nail art ideas? Then comment below which one you'd copy. Would you paint a spicy pepper, a cow pattern, sprinkle your nails with cornstarch, or decorate them with kisses? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new nail life hacks from Troom Troom.